Hi guys, my name is Alex and I'm a food teacher with Jamie's Ministry of Food Australia. I'm so excited because we're going to be bringing our online program to your community, Barcaldine, at the end of May. We'll be running our online program on Saturday for 5 weeks. It's a Jamie's Ministry of Food program, so it's covering all of Jamie's beautiful recipes from breakfast, lunch, dinner and sides. Over the course of the 5 weeks, you guys will learn Jamie Oliver's hints, tips and tricks to cook beautiful fresh food from scratch and feed your family on a budget. Bookings are essential, guys. You have to head to jamiesministryfood.com.au to book in now. If you guys can't make Saturday's classes, the best news is all the sessions will be recorded on Zoom and we'll be emailing you the link to these downloads at the end of the lesson. You can download and cook along and watch at your own pace, and we'll give you all the recipes as well. Make sure you're following us on our socials at JMOF Australia to keep up with all the news. And if you have any questions, head to our website where you can also book in jamiesministryfood.com.au or email us info@thegoodfoundation.com.au. I can't wait to cook with all you guys and bring my kitchen and my skills into your kitchens. See you soon.